When faced with a sudden crisis, or business discontinuity, in the form of a catastrophic failure, or significant loss of resources, logistics or financial assets, companies will initiate emergency planning arrangements designed to mitigate just such events. These business continuity plans, often prepared by emergency planning specialists, provide structure and process to mitigate damage and return to normality. However, whilst these plans provide structure and process, they do not provide optimal solutions to the many decisions that managers, at the organization's operational, tactical and strategic levels, will need to make in the minutes, hours, days and weeks following any incident. The decisions being made will determine the effectiveness of the response and recovery phases of the plans. These decisions, often independently made, simultaneously at all levels of management, must be aligned to ensure an organization's most valuable asset is protected. So, what is your company's most valuable asset? Well, according to the Business Continuity Institute, when a crisis or business discontinuity gets into the public domain, effective communication will play a key role in rescuing and maintaining an organization's most valuable asset: its reputation. Furthermore, did you know that risk assessment is a powerful tool for informing, but not dictating, decisions on the management of risk? Is your risk management strategy linked to your communications strategy? At all levels of your organization, what is dictating your manager's decision-making? How confident are you that your managers will act with the same strategic direction, yet be able to independently act to resolve urgent, operational and tactical issues, to mitigate damage and promote recovery through their decision-making? Emergency planning is only half the story. Emergency plans only provide, at best, half the solution. Unless managers, when operating under high levels of stress, with limited information, and risk-critical issues to resolve, can make effective and timely decisions, any significant investments into emergency planning preparations will come to nothing. Remember, emergency plans don't make decisions, but your managers do. Develop Decisions are a team of consultants with extensive knowledge, skills, and practical experience in decision-making within the emergency services and armed forces. Our team members have operated at frontline, tactical and strategic levels of management, making timely decisions on risk-critical issues to resolve major incidents safely and effectively. We are here to transfer those skills, knowledge and experience to your organization, so that you can be assured that, in times of crisis, your managers will make effective and timely decisions. If you would like to know more about how to bring structure and process to your manager's everyday decision-making, then you should contact us at developdecisions.com. It may prove to be the most important decision you've made for your company.